Comment ça va? Bonjour, bonjour. Welcome to French Action, French for Beginners. My name is Jenny. If you would like to learn French, then it is the right channel for you. I hope that you will enjoy this video. If you do, please like it and subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when all my videos are uploaded. Well, today we are going to learn to count up to 31. Comptez jusqu'à 31. You may ask, why 31? Well, because it's very important to know the numbers up to 20 in French, because they are the ones which are going to be reused for other numbers. And why 31? Because you will say when your birthday is in my next video. Vous êtes prêts? Prêts? Allons-y. But before we do that, I just would like to say that there's a word, this word number in English has 3 translations into French. It can be les chiffres, les nombres, or les numéros. So which one are we going to use today? Les chiffres, les nombres, or les numéros? Well, les chiffres are the numbers from 0 to 10. Les nombres, obviously, are going to be the others because you need the chiffre to make up the number, les nombres. Les numéros, when we talk about numéro, we are referring to house numbers, phone numbers, ID numbers, anything like that. So we're not talking about that today. We're just going to start with les chiffres and then we will move to les nombres. And the way I'm going to do it, I'm just going to say the numbers and then you will repeat. I will not put the writing because I know that if I put the writing first, you will just mispronounce. So first of all, we focus on the pronunciation and then we get the spelling of the numbers. Alors, the first one is 0. 0. Vous êtes prêts? Allons-y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got that? Continuons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continuons. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you noticed that with number 8, I said 8 because the H is silent. Bien, continuons. We are going to have now les nombres. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Continuons. 16. Now for this one, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. You know why? because you're just going to say 10-7, 10-8, and 10-9. Okay? So this one is 17, 18, 19, 20. Now remember 20 in terms of the sound, because 20 also means wine. All right? Continue. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Continue. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now for the spelling of 17, 18, and 19, because you're really saying 10, 7, 10, 8, and 10, 9, don't forget to add this little hyphen. So now we're going to continue with 20 to 30. Allons-y. 21. And here we're just going to say 20 to 23. So that's going to give us 22, 23, 24, 25. Continuons. 26, 27, 28, 29, and now 30. Can you guess what 31 is? I remind you that we said 21, 20, and 1, 21. So for 31, we're going to say 31, 31. So now, let's see how we're going to spell this. 21, have you noticed? No hyphen. But then you start with a hyphen here. Okay? So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Continuons. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now let's move to some sentences that I've put here for you. How can we make sentences using numbers? I have just come up with 2 sentences for you. Okay, this one. Il y a 30 jours en septembre et 31 jours en octobre. Can you guess what it means? Il y a. Very good expression to remember because it means there is or there are. 30 is 30. Jour, you remember jour from our previous video, days. So there are 30 days in September and 31 days in October. Have you noticed that September and October do not have a capital letter? Let's see the second sentence. J'aime le chiffre 7. I like number 7. Okay, here, have you noticed that I said le chiffre? Okay, le chiffre, because chiffre is masculine, we're going to use le. But I'm not going deep into that at this point in time. So now, here's a little exercise for you. I'm going to say 5 numbers, and I would like you to write them down. Prêt? Allons-y. 14, 8, 21, 15, 5. Let's see what you have. Quatorze, 8, 21, 15 and 5. Je répète, 14, 8, 21, 15, 5. Did you get that? If you did, très bien! Bravo, 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 bravo. Well, that's all we have for today. Next week, we will be covering the days and the month. And I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you have, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also don't forget to select all, otherwise you will not receive the notification. Okay? So I just need to say now au revoir, à la semaine prochaine.